Hey beauties, what's poppin'? Waah Gwaan. Welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome to Bare Beauty. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below if you wish. And also if you're a regular schmegler, hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so very much for clicking on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like, comment down below, and follow me on my social medias, which is Instagram and TikTok at Bare Beauty Services. So for today's video, I'll be doing a French ombre set. I'm trying to get all of my false nails out, fall nails out of my head, autumn nails out of my head before it expires. So what I'm doing, I'm going in with my nude peach, creating the smile line on each of my nails. So there's two ways of creating your smile line. You can do it in the reverse standard, where you enter in you enter from the smile line area and work the product up, or you can do it just like me, where you work the product down. It doesn't really matter, it's what you're comfortable with. So yeah, so I just want to touch base on the persons who have been commenting on my videos. I really want to show my appreciation by inserting your comments in my videos. So for the last 3 comments that I've seen, it doesn't matter which video that it was, persons commented on, I'm going to insert it in the following video to come. So here are my 3 comments. It doesn't matter if the comments are bad or good, I'm going to insert them here on this video here and the next video to come. So yes, here are my 3 comments. Now that I've created my smile line, I'll take my emery board just to sharpen up that area. I didn't include it in this part because I felt like it was unnecessary. So what you can do to straighten up your smile line is use your emery board and just to shape it to how you like it. So what I'm doing right here is I'm going in with white, because the yellow is a bit opaque. You will see when I start doing the ombre. So it was a bit opaque, so I didn't want that, but the white and the yellow wasn't giving me what I wanted, so I stopped. After this nail, I stopped using the white. So I will go in with the yellow, ensure that it covers all the white, ensure that it's blended properly, and then I'll go in with the orange to create my ombre. This was creating a lot of challenge. As I mentioned in my previous videos about having too much of something in it, I realized that I had too much acrylic, so the product was a little bit stiff. You can see how it applied and how it was so stiff in blending. I applied the yellow to the area to smooth out the area, but it was still so defined. So yeah, I mean, this was my mistake. I should have done it the opposite way, where I did the orange first and then did the yellow. I don't know if it would have been the same outcome, but this is what I mean by when there's too much of something in a product. So I've done the same design on 3 of my fingers, which is the pointer, the pinky, and the middle finger. So I'm now going in the opposite direction, with the yellow being at the end and the orange being at the top. So this blended quite well. I don't know what was the difference in it. I thought because I did the reverse, where the yellow was at the end and the orange was at the top, it gave me a natural fade. And it can also be the fact that the orange was more of a pastel color, which gave me that fade. But yeah, this is how the nails turned out after I did it reverse. I really like this this way. I genuinely I thought about it like, yeah, I should have done it this way, but I guess it's a learning lesson. Next time I know better and I'll do better. So these are how the nails are looking. So say I am very extra, so I have to go in with my glitters. So I'm taking some chunky, very bronze glitter at the cuticle area and putting that down on the nails. I'll do this to the middle finger and I'll do this to the ring finger. After I'm done with the capping stage of the glitters, I will then go in with my e-file. I've mentioned in my previous video also that I use a diamond bit. This bit is just getting, done. It needs to be thrown out, but it still does a pretty good job. But I'm waiting for my order to come with these bits. I have a whole bunch of stuff to order, but I don't know, I'm kind of lazy when it comes down to this, hence why I do need assistance. But I'm going in with my diamond bit, getting that bulk off the nails, ensuring that the nails are straight, and then I'll go in with my sanding band, smoothing out, straighten out the nails as per usual, and then I'll take my buffing block and smooth out the nail, and that's the final stage. And then I'll go wash my hands and then I top coat. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Service. And if you want to see a more updated video of what I will be doing on my YouTube here, just follow me on TikTok at BareBeauty Services. And also don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. This was a simple set as usual. I didn't want to extrify anything because I realized the last video I actually did extrify the nails a little bit, so I'm toning it down. So yeah. So I want to get this out there and just put it out the misery that it is in. So if you look around my cuticle areas, they can look not very transitional into my cuticles. Is because I have on peel off base coat. So I don't usually leave my set on for too long because I need to do videos. So that's why it looks the way that it does. So yeah, so my blending work is fairly good, but because I don't want to have on these nails, because I do other activities, I don't want to keep on these nails for a long duration of time. I use peel off base coat, so around the cuticle area is not as smooth as I would personally like it to be. So yeah. So now I'll take the top coat and just go over each of these nails. I wanted my nails actually to be matte, but I never, I'll include a clip of my nails being matte. If you do like matte or gloss, please choose down below to tell me which one you like or which one you prefer. I'm kind of digging the matte look, but somehow I find I kind of do like the gloss look. I don't know. I'm very complex. So if you guys do like, subscribe, comment down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at BareBeauty Services, and I'll see you guys in the next video.